we are going to talk about park-owned homes. This is one of them. This home was a hot mess. When we first got in it, the park did not want it. The park had it ready to move, everything disconnected. In fact, actually with the improvements that they did on the land, they didn't even bother to connect it. They were just moving it out. We said, hey, wait. We want to buy it for the right price. We went back and forth. We got this thing for $3,000, put $20,000 into it, and we are reselling it for $67,000. So not a bad. It's not going to be a home run, but not a bad day. This is all new. Countertop is new. Sink is new. Faucet is new. All the windows already had been new because it was originally a park-owned home. Home needed to be re-leveled, so we did re-level it. We had subfloor fixes here, put new LVP in. We actually kept this carpet and was in good shape. Just cleaned it up and reinstalled it. Put a new front door in because the old one was pretty hammered. All new light fixtures in the home. Cleaned up ceilings. Cleaned up the bathroom area. I know, kind of a weird setup, but cleaned that up. Got everything working. Kept this carpet. Put new pulls in, painted all throughout. The furnace had been newer too. Cleaned up this bedroom, kept the carpet, just cleaned it. We had new subfloor we had to put in here, new back door, we had plumbing we had to do in there. We had to completely redo this. This was all rotten. The sill plate was off on the wall, so the wall was just flopping around. We had a bunch of plumbing to do there. Resurfaced the tub. Put a new surround in. Put new vanities. Mirror in. New toilet. And then in here, kept this carpet. Tore this out and just cleaned this up with some nice lighting. We opened up the porch. Put a new light fixture in, painted the whole entire side, took off all the exterior trim that there was, picture frame wise, repainted that, painted the body, hit the roof, put new decking down on here, carpeted it, painted it, re-skirted it, fixed the steps, and got a great home together. So the story is, sometimes if you end up seeing homes sitting like this in the park, sometimes they're willing to sell them, especially if they get tight on funds. They just want to be done with it. So the thing that's great with this is if you don't ask, you don't get. So we had a chance to ask. It wasn't necessarily a home run, but at least it's something that we're turning pretty quick, gonna make some money on. We kept our crews busy, and we're providing a nice home for somebody. And also, the park now loves that we cleaned up one of the homes in their community that they didn't have to. So they don't have to worry about the capital expense of moving this thing out and trying to find something else. It's a 3-2. It has a nice lot, okay? And they would have the cost of not only purchasing another home, moving it here, setting it up, and then they would have to wait to go ahead and get their return on it. And so it's a lot less expense if they just give it to somebody like us. They can start making lot rent right away. We hopefully can get it off our books quickly, and we can get them a nice new tenant with an updated home that improves their park one home at a time. And that's what we've been doing. We are in process of remodeling one home at a time in this community. Right now, actually, I think we have 4 homes that we're currently working on, cleaning up for them so that they can start filling in other homes. We've got other homes that we come across that we're looking to fill in too. So this is new ownership of a park that just recently went through and did infrastructure. If you take a look over there, you can see that there has been new line run, the blue line there. And then if you look back at the box, the electrical box is completely brand new. So they've gone through and redone all of that, and they've repaved it. So they have all new sewer lines and water lines throughout here as well. They're sinking some serious money into this community, and we got in just at the right time to build their trust by doing something like that, put money back in their coffers, help them clean up the homes, getting revenue, so that they can continue to buy more homes and do more improvements. So we're happy to have opportunities like this. This is the kind of opportunities that we typically look for, and these are the types of opportunities we typically recommend that you look for as well. Have a great day.